Bit-tema Resolve, il-konferenza ħajġi 2025 laqgħet esperti lokali u internazzjonali flimkien ma' diversi mexxejja sabiex jiddiskutu strateġiji prattiċi għall-immaneġġjar tal-konflitt. Fost l-interventi, Martin Richards, espert fir-rispons għal każi ta' ħtif u estorsjoni, huwa spjega li jkun kontinwament f'kuntatt ma' nies diffiċli ħafna u li jagħmel hu li jipprova jibni rapport magħhom sabiex jibdew jafdawh u jikkonvinċihom jitolbu anqas flus. Għalli dawn it-tekniki jistgħu jintużaw mhux biss f'xogħlu imma fi kwalunkwe xogħol ieħor u anke fil-ħajja personali.
Skills are demonstrating empathy by active listening and then getting to a point after all that hard work to actually convince people and to gain cooperation. Because what tends to happen is people default straight away in a conversation to try and solve problems, which is a nice thing to do, but people are not going to listen to you. They're not going to take your advice until you've actually done the real hard work of listening and building that rapport.
Fil-konferenza tkellem ukoll Philip Ingram, fundatur ta' Greyhair Media u eks uffiċjali fl-Armata Ingliża. Ingram ffoka fuq il-pressjonijiet li jseħħu fuq l-individwu, fuq il-gruppi li appoġġjawh u fuq is-soċjetà usa u kif dawn jista' jkollhom impatt qawwi fuq is-saħħa mentali.
Having spent 26 years in the military and left it quite badly broken with PTSD, and it took me 6 years to get myself fixed again. But I wanted to leave a bit of hope as well to suggest to people and anyone else that could be suffering out there that actually there is hope. And the good thing is, the important thing is to try and talk about it, try and recognise if you need help and recognise that you can get proper you back. And there is a way through difficulties, and communication and talking to people is the best way through.
Il-messaġġ ewlieni li ħareġ mill-konferenza huwa li l-konflitt m'għandux dejjem jiġi meqjus bħala teddida, iżda jista' jsir opportunità. Intqal li permezz ta' komunikazzjoni strateġika, empatija u kultura li tilqa' dijalogu, l-organizzazzjonijiet jistgħu mhux biss jibnu timijiet aktar b'saħħithom, iżda jikkultivaw ukoll kultura mentali aktar b'saħħitha u ambjent li jsaħħaħ l-innovazzjoni u jmexxi l-operat il qudiem.